How to use SHEIN Wallet money. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of me. Once you're on this page, you will find the option of wallet over here. Click on that. Now in this page you're gonna find the money available in your SHEIN wallet. Now how can you use this? For that, head back. Head towards the shop section and select any of the item that you wanna purchase. Add the item to the cart, selecting the details of it. Once you are done with selecting the items, click on this cart icon. Now proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to fill the shipping address. Once you do that, select your shipping method and then select your payment method. Scrolling down, you'll find this section of apply coupon code, gift card, and also you'll find the option of wallet. Click on the option of wallet. If you have money in your wallet, you can type in the money that you want to use for this purchase over here and then click on apply. With that, the money of your SHEIN wallet will be used for this purchase. So this way you can easily use SHEIN wallet money. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.